All court proceedings for Jeremy Best are now on hold until a mental capacity determination can be made. Best is accused of killing his pregnant wife and taking his 10-month-old son in Victor. He is charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder in Teton County, Idaho. Local News 8's Seth Ratliff spoke with a criminal defense expert today to find out how Best's mental health could play a role in the legal proceedings. It is a story you'll only see on 8. Seth.
Todd, today I spoke with local criminal defense attorney Alan Browning. Now, Browning is not attached to the Best case, but he does have years of legal experience in similar trials involving mental health. There is no insanity defense under Idaho law, and Browning told me the goal in a mental health evaluation is to assess the suspect, then treat their mental illness to the point where they're fit to stand trial. He says they just need to establish that the defendant can actually help their attorney in their defense. What I found is people can be dealing with mental issues but still be competent to stand trial.
You'll have a person who is capable of assisting his attorney with the proceedings, but can absolutely go nuts in the courtroom, and they may have to stop the proceedings, recess until another day, or various other things. They may have to restrain the defendant. So that's why you get some strange behavior from people sometimes, because they're technically competent to assist their attorney, but by all outward appearances, they just act crazy.
Now, despite Best's current mental state or the actions in the previous hearing, he could still be considered fit for court. Once Best is considered competent, the case would move forward immediately. But if Best is not found mentally competent, Browning says he would most likely be sent to a mental health facility.
The person generally sent to a place like State Hospital South, where the goal of the treating facility is to bring that person's mental status up to where they can assist their attorney. And so they will have them tested for different kinds of drugs, for example, to see what kind of drug regimen they need to be on. They'll give them whatever kind of treatment is warranted, with the goal of restoring competency so they can have a trial that means something.
Browning adds that there are some people that never are going to be competent. In that case, prosecutors are then forced to leave them in a mental health institution and just hope for the best.
So it seems the competency hearing really plays a key role, that it depends on how fast the trial moves forward, if at all.
Exactly, Todd. According to what Browning said, if he's not found fit for court, Best would then, best case scenario, take months or weeks to be considered competent in a mental health facility. And if not so, he would never be able to go to court, which means Idahoans and the victims' families would never be able to see him inside of a courtroom.
Okay. All right. You'll have more for us later tonight?
Yes, I will.
All right, Seth, thanks for that.